Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Play Store not working problem. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you, but don't worry about it. I will show you now several options or related sections which you're gonna try it and getting up to fix this problem. Firstly, you need to try with just getting up into that phone section. It will bring you just to reboot or power off your phone on the selection, and you can just restart your phone as a first option or as a first section. And then what you need to do next, simply you need to get up into your settings into your phone. On the search box you need to type for firstly you're gonna get back, you'll scroll down, go for applications right down, then all of these sections you're gonna choose the second one, which is manage applications, and then on the search box you're gonna type Google Play Store. Type on the first selection, then scroll right down, and now what you need to do, you need simply to go for clear data. First you need to go clear all data, go for OK, then go again on clear data, go for clear OK right now, go OK then. And the next thing what you should do to get up into this section, simply you need to get back of this section, and then you need to go on your settings side of first side, here, and now you need to scroll down, and right now you're gonna find out that section which is software update. Just scroll down and take a look for software update. Here guys, you're gonna find out more optional setups in which you can just go for it and take a look on all these setups. Now get back, and on the first selection it says update, go on it, and then here as you can see you have that option to get an update that section. Here it will shows up the last update section, go on the three dots. Here you can download the latest package, or you can go for update settings, go for the last selection, update settings. And here guys, you're gonna find out all these sections which are getting up into this file. And now what you need to do, simply you need to get up right here, and you need to make sure that the update sections are getting to automatically, because sometimes it doesn't, and it takes some time to get recognize your phone section and then to brings you to get up into this problem. Now get back again, try to update first your account section on your phone. That means that you need to update your phone. Get back, and then what you need to do next, you need to scroll down and go for applications, then go manage applications, and on the search box type for downloads or download manager. Firstly try to see if you have that manager. Now here you have file manager, you don't have that download manager, this is why you're gonna go for downloads. Go for it. In here guys, also you're gonna find out many options right there, but what you need to go and set up, you need to go for storage, and right here you're gonna find out all these sections. Now you need to go for clear data, you need to clear all data, and then you need to just tap on clear cake and clear all the cake sections, and it will get up and fix this problem. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.